10 car myths people still believe in 2025. Number 10. Premium gas makes your car go faster. No, it doesn't. The higher octane fuel does not make your car more powerful. In fact, using premium gas in a car that doesn't require it can actually reduce fuel efficiency. Number 9. A car air freshener will get rid of all odors. While these can help mask unpleasant smells, they won't eliminate them. For a deep clean, you need to remove the source of the smell, whether it's a musty pet, seat, or something else. Number 8. Letting your engine cool down before refueling is important. There's no harm in refueling a hot engine. Just be careful as fuel can expand when it comes into contact with a hot surface. Number 7. Driving with your high beams on all the time is safe. This isn't true. High beams can cause other drivers to swerve or even crash. Only use them when there's no oncoming traffic. Number 6. New cars don't need to be broken in. While modern engines don't require the same break-in periods as older engines, it's still important to vary your driving in the first few thousand miles to help the engine and transmission components wear in evenly. Number 5. All-wheel drive is better in snow. While all-wheel drive can help you get better traction in snow, it's not a must-have. Front-wheel drive cars can handle light snow very well, especially if they have snow tires. Number 4. Wipers should be used only when it rains. No, you should use your wipers whenever the windshield is wet or there's a risk of hydroplaning. This helps maintain visibility and safety. Number 3. You should check your tire pressure when the tires are cold. This is true. Checking your tire pressure when the tires are cold ensures an accurate reading. If you check the pressure when the tires are hot, the pressure will seem higher than it actually is. Number 2. Opening your windows reduces fuel economy. This is only true to a certain extent. At higher speeds, opening your windows does increase drag, which can reduce fuel economy. But at lower speeds, the effect is minimal. Number 1. Driving with cruise control on hills is safe. No, it's not. Cruise control is designed for flat roads. On hills, the vehicle may not slow down sufficiently, leading to a potential crash. Now you know. Hit the like button for more.